Today we are presenting the INDY stroller. The seat includes a frame with a mounted seat, safety belts and a hood, front wheels, rear wheels, a safety rail, a leg cover, a half rain cover. To unfold the stroller, place the frame with the handle upwards. Move the slider to the side and press the button. Then, press the handle against the stroller. It is necessary to unlock the mechanism. Lift the frame with a firm movement until you hear the locking sound. The stroller is unfolded. Now it's time to attach the wheels. Slide the rear wheels into the holes in the axle until you hear a click. To take the wheels out, press the button, and at the same time pull the wheel off the axle. Now the front wheels. Insert them into the holes in the front of the frame until you hear a click. To remove them, press the button and pull out the wheel. The hood is already attached. All you have to do is fasten the snaps on the sides of the cover and the Velcro underneath the backrest. All done. It's time to attach the safety rail. Insert it into the holes on the sides of the frame. Depending on your needs, you can detach it on one side or on both sides. Press and take it out. Change of position? Nothing could be simpler. The stroller is equipped with an infinitely variable backrest adjustment. To lower it, grasp the strap and slide the buckle down. That's how we raise it. There are two adjustment buttons at the bottom of the footrest under the cover. Press them and adjust the footrest. The brake is located on the right-hand side of the rear axle. To use it, press the lever until you hear the locking sound. Raise the lever to unlock the brake. The seat belts in the INDY are already adapted for newborns. This is how you fasten and adjust them. Connect the catches of the lap and shoulder seat belts and slide them into the middle buckle until you hear a click. To unfasten the belt, press the button in the middle. Remember to adjust the seat belts. Slide the seat belts into the buckle and it's done. The seat belts can be attached at two heights, depending on the age of your child. Unfasten the snaps, slide the protectors, slide the seat belt out of the metal buckle, pull it through the right belt loop and fasten. To release the protectors, unfasten the seat belts in the same place and slide them out. INDY also has additional accessories. First, a leg cover. As you can see, the stroller has 4 Velcro fasteners underneath. Fasten them on the tubes of the seat frame, and it's done. The kit also includes a half rain cover. We put it on the stroller, paying attention not to leave any gaps through which rain could get in. The hood is waterproof, so it doesn't require a cover. And how to fold the stroller? It's very simple. You can do it with one hand. Move the slider, push the button, and push the handle forward until you hear a click. Thanks to the automatic locking system, the stroller won't unfold. Once it's folded, you can place it upright and carry it by holding the handle. Enjoy your walks with INDY.